Well, for the common evidence, it will be half the time, which will be dedicated to the common exhibits for separate marking, no? Kasi ang nangyari doon, separate yung presentation and marking for the prosecution, papakita kay defense, patatatakan sa impeachment court, pepermahan ng prosecution defense at saka ng impeachment court. So yung prosesong yun, uulitin mo uli pagdating dun sa defense, notwithstanding the fact that you are talking about exactly the same document, no? So na-double yung time. So if they will agree na isang document lang, ibig sabihin isang examination lang, no? Isang permahan lang, so that will be, as to the time which will be spent, it will be diminished by half the time which is actually being spent when marking common exhibit but separate documents.
Hindi naman yan kasi normal na pagka pinresenta mo yung ebidensya, ay marka na lang na marka. Hindi po ganyan yan. So normally po yan, pag may ebidensya na pinipresenta, halimbawa may dokumento po, ikukumpara pa yan, titignan pa yan ng kabila at magbibigay sila ng komento. Pagkatapos po niyan, pipirmahan pa nung pag nag-agree na po, pipirmahan pa po yan nung kung sino man yung yes. May mga tao pa pong pipirma dyan. So, could you imagine kung 4,000 dokumento sa amin pa lamang, dadaan po sa lahat ng prosesong ganyan. Kaya ganyan po talaga yung nangyayari.